The truth.
Our friend seems to be awakening.
Where is this? Where am I?
Do not be alarmed, my friend. My man Ivan found you out on the cliff. Brought you here to be taken care of.
Well, thank God there's life on this island. I hardly believed.
Few people do. You are quite safe here at my castle, Mr.
Rainsford.
Yes.
Rainsford. I sang a Rainsford of New York.
Rainsford? Sanger Rainsford?
Yes.
Well, it is indeed a very great pleasure and honor to welcome you, Mr. Sanger Rainsford. You're the celebrated hunter, not?
Yes. You know me?
By reputation only. I've read your book about hunting snow leopards in Tibet, you see. My name is General Zaroff. I am not English, Mr. Rainsford, but I went to a good school. Perhaps you recognize the colors of my tie. No, makes no difference. I've lived too long in the jungle to be a snob.
Well,